Hey guys, I went outside and my hair kind of dropped, which is fine because I like it like this too. But for me to take care of it at night, obviously I'm going to tell you my mesh wrap. Obviously I'm going to tell you my black wrap strip because those are just staples in my arsenal. Honestly, you can pin this if you wanted. Me personally, I would wrap it. I would wrap it to the right and then to the left and then to the right, just to make sure that you have movement. I'm tired and you don't feel good. I know, it's okay. But in order for me to get that movement, I would just literally wrap it. So if you wanted, just take a pin. Well, I don't have any bobby pins here. I have bobby pins, but just not on me. So what I would do is I would just pin this curl. Just like try to pin it because it's still going to be bumped. But by you wrapping it, it's going to keep the curvature of the hair. So this is how I would sleep. I just basically put all the curls to the right and pinned it. You don't have to use these pins. This is what I have right now. So that's what I'm going to use. I do have other pins. No, I don't. I don't have regular bobby pins, but you could if you wanted to do that. And then you would sleep with your bonnet. Where is my bonnet? Let me find my bonnet. So if you wanted to, you can sleep with a bonnet on. You don't really need it. I mean, you can. And then I would still come in with my scarf and tie it just around this perimeter just to keep it on. Let me show you instead of talking. So I have the scarf. So I'm going to tie it in. I'm going to fold it in half. Fold it in half and then fold it again. Come in like this. Tie it. Oh, this is a look, boo. Look at this. This is a look right here. I look crazy. This is a look. But yeah. Tie it so that it doesn't move. And you're good to go. So this is how I would sleep in the nighttime or whenever time, just to keep my style intact. Thank me later. So now that my style is going to be preserved for the night, this is basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video on how I would preserve this style for the next day. And I'll see you in my morning routine video. But honestly, what did I say? I swear, once I get in the shower, make it. You should have saw me sneezing. I was gonna get like a okay, it ain't working today. It's a blue one you gave me. It's a blue, so it's in there, right?
I don't know, it's your 32 and 64. They're both black.
They're both black. I think you gave me the 32. I think, yeah, you gave me the 32. Because I'm like, 32 is not going to be enough. I remember, yeah. That's the 32 is yours.
You ever used it?
Yes. I don't know if anything is on there.
Alright, I'll leave it right here for now.
But all you have to, it's fine. I don't, if it's something.
I mean, my battery's dead, so I'll leave it right here for now. That's what I'm saying. I'll just leave it here.
So why take it out?
Because I just wanted to know if I gave it to you, I thought I lost it.
No. So why you didn't just say you wanted to know and that's it?
I did. I didn't use like it right there.